Hey guys, in this video we will learn how to draw a hand, a croquis hand. For that we will start from the basic line. We will create a line, a fixed measurement. We will divide the line into two equal parts. Guys remember this, two equal parts. दोनों parts का equal होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. और center में we will create a circle. You can see in this video I have created a circle in between and the top of the line and the bottom of the line. Now we will create some U shapes. Be focused on it. We won't create big U. A small U will be okay. Now you will connect the lines from upper and lower U. You will get this shape. After this we will do the flashing. Guys, you can comment in the comment box whatever you want to learn more in hands. You can ask it. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.